it's Ron and Sharon. We are sitting in front of Sahara Gold and Tike Fire. It has become a challenge. It's become a battle.
Yeah, for sure. So we're doing this fun lightning link, and we just really hope you guys enjoy this premiere. And let us know who you think won.
Yeah, it's gonna be a riot. Thank you guys so much. Take care, guys. We are still at it. Tike Fire, come on. Oh, I thought you were gonna get it at the same time. That's what I was hoping. That we both get it at the same time. All right, 10-cent, $5 bet. Those are actually fairly small for that bet.
Yeah.
But maybe we can get something. One ball at a time, right? Thank you. Oh, I saw the mini go by. Come on. One ball at a time.
That's all the words.
I know. That minor would be sweet. Come on, get it.
Oh. Mini flash by, and that's 100. That's for me.
I know. You're awesome. You want to film?
Yeah. Any ball.
Any ball, guys. Do it. Do it. Oh, no. Down the liner. Get it.
Slap right in there.
Let's see. That's, well, it's okay. Yeah, we'll take that. Especially $5.
Yeah.
But we will take that. I don't know. Again, I think it's neck and neck here.
I think it's past me.
You think so?
I don't know. I can't get this feature.
You'll get it. Thank you guys so much. I just hit this feature again on Tike Fire. Need multipliers. Now, last time it was like the last spin got me.
So now how about hitting good ones on all the...
Like the first one.
Yeah.
Well, you can get the balls on this, right? You get the balls on this feature?
Yes.
Let's do it.
You can get balls and you can get the multiplier.
Come on now. Don't blocks. If you're gonna do the balls, do the balls. Oh, there you go, there you go.
Oh, the king's a little bit.
Yeah. 3 spins left. You want to give me a whole middle of multipliers? I'll take it.
And then the lady, the Tike Fire lady.
Come on now. Oh, wasted those Did you see those multipliers? Last spin. Oh, that was a bummer bonus. That's only $17. Hey, it's still a bonus. We're a battle. It's a battle. I don't know. That was pretty. $12. That was rough. Thank you guys so much.
Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We're back at it. We have been battling this out for hours and hours.
It seems like it.
It seems like it. No.
We just got another feature.
We did. We're going lightning link here. We're still on this Sahara Gold Tike Fire challenge battle, if you will. I got the ball, so he's gonna tap it for me. The liner looks good.
Any ball?
And it's been showing it. All right, that's so good.
How about this one mini would be $100?
Yep.
You wanna drop that minor?
Yep. I'll take it.
There you go.
Love it.
A couple more of those.
Yep.
Fine too. Plenty of room.
Come on, not a lot of room there. One ball at a time.
That's right.
How we collect it. Right, friends? Come on, wish us some, definitely some good luck.
Any ball? Any balls?
Ah, I didn't do it. That's still pretty good, I think. I don't know. But everything else is $2.
Too bad. I don't know.
That's not like your $200. Woohoo! Still fun. Love it. As always.
It's been a riot. This has been so fun.
It has been a good challenge.
Thank you guys so much.
All right, we appreciate all of you. Thank you.
Buddy, we are still battling. I'm on Tike Fire. Cher is
We're
on.
gonna get the minors.
And we just got the feature. 10-cent, $5 bet. Let's get a bunch of multipliers on this one. Or the balls.
Multipliers and balls.
Let's do it. All right, come on.
Okay.
Ooh, don't
Yeah.
waste those
Can't waste any
multipliers.
spins.
That's 2 wasted spins now. Come on. Oh, blocked.
Nothing lined up.
Don't
No.
block. Uh-oh, we're down to 2 spins. Oh, this could be bad. Come on, do it. Do it. Oh, there you go. It's a,
That helped.
that's not bad.
It's over 50 bucks.
That saved the day on that last
It's
spin. Oh my gosh, that was looking
And it's not like a
that was looking like a nightmare. Actually, that's going to be pretty good because I think those kings went all the way through. Actually, that was a good
That saved the day.
one
Saved
spin.
100 bucks.
Every other spin didn't pay.
No, not okay.
Oh, that's great though.
Wow, that's nuts. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I think Tiki Fire might have taken the lead now, although
Wow.
you're still sitting on that bonus
No,
you
that's
had.
a
It
good
looks good.
bonus.
Fantastic, you guys.
That's
Yeah, you know what it is? 2 time, 2 time, 2 time. And then the butterflies hit. That's actually, you know what? That's better than I expected. That's
so
great.
good. The jacks.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
As well. So, yay. That's so good. Yay.
All right,
Love
you
it.
guys.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you so
totally-
much.
totally
That Tiki Fire might have just taken the lead. Thank you guys. Take care, Sharon.
I'm still working on this one.
Sharon's on. Yeah, she just hit the feature. Sorry about the angle here, but I figured I'd just turn this camera on.
Well, I dropped
She
down
went
from
to-
10 cent to 1.
That's all right.
But I still have the 250 bet.
Hey, maybe it'll turn into something.
Same bet.
Right.
So,
Do it. Got to be
Get
better than
something
your
good
last
here,
one.
right?
with
yeah, that last one was,
the- Any ball.
it was an ouch.
Oh,
come
that
on.
looks like a good one.
Come on. There's so
You
much
got
space
plenty
up
of
there.
room.
There's so much room.
All right. Do it. One ball.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. All right, new life. Yes,
Nice.
yes,
Nice.
yes.
Hey, there you go.
That's what you do.
You want to drop that
Right, if it
bait
wants
here.
to load it up for the grand, that would be
I would
just
have run a
fine.
mini. Oh, I saw a
Oh,
mini.
I did.
Come on, do it. Nice.
Come on now.
Oh, that was a couple
It
of
keeps
decent ones.
pushing this $10 one
Yeah,
there.
I saw it 12.50 by a thing.
I'll take it.
Any ball?
Any
Yeah.
ball, please. Keep this game going. Come on.
Game going.
Save the day. Let's
Do
do
it.
it.
That's not bad though.
Still good.
In 1 cent.
Yes.
I don't know. It's really a close. It's neck and neck now. It's a close battle
It
now.
is.
What do you think?
I don't know. I still think it's you, but I don't know.
That's not too bad for 1 cent. Actually, could have been.
Because you had like a lot more bonuses
Although it's
than
still
me.
250 bet, could be better than that. Come on, Sahara Cold. You can do better than that. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Everybody, we're still
Hey,
battling.
this one's still mine.
I know. Sharon just hit
Woo-hoo,
the.
we're working on it.
Sharon just hit.
This was a 5 cent.
That's all right. You're still doing well.
250. That's what I'm betting. So please, 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 let's see what we can do here.
Any ball?
Gotta fill this up. Look, I'll take it. I'll take.
Come on.
I guess I'll take any.
Exactly. Any ball. No, don't do that. Come on, one ball.
Come on, one ball. Oh no!
Come on. Down to the
One
line.
ball. Any
You got
ball.
plenty. Ooh, I saw the mini.
Any ball. Oh, now that hurts.
That's unfortunate. That's
not even good.
But hey, it's a feature.
It
We're
is a
still
feature.
battling. All right, we'll continue. Yeah, that was a little chintzy.
That's unworthy.
All right, you guys, take care. Everybody's out of there. We are still at it. Tiki Fire versus Sahara Gold. I did switch down to 2 cent, you know, and I did start with $100, so I'm down, but we gotta make that.
You gotta make it up.
I know. I think you're still winning.
I don't know. Oh, maybe.
All right, we got the mini though. A couple more minis. Let's do this. Any ball. Oh, come on! I got plenty of room, right? Oh, I saw a mini
I
again.
saw it again. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, that'll work.
Take another mini. Do it. Oh, I saw a minor go by.
And a $75 ball.
Really?
That's 150.
Do it. Oh, the minor
Minor
wants to
again?
pop.
Pop it.
Down to the wire. Do it. One ball.
Do it. Yes.
Nice.
That's saved.
Nice save. Come on. Do it. One ball. I don't like this down the wire stuff. Get it right now. Do it. Uh-oh, here we go. Down the wire again. Come on. Oh, the minor, guys. It does. Actually, that is really good. I switched down to 2 cent. Actually, that's fantastic. We like that. Hey, I think I'm catching back up. Oh, that looked good. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. We're going to continue. It's Ron and Sharon. We are still at it. I'm at Tike Fire. Sharon is at Sahara
Look, I had
Gold.
5. I almost had it.
She sure did, but I got it this time. Let's see what happens. I would love, the minis. Just drop one of the minis. Got a couple of decent ones. Let's just one ball at a time. Come on. You can do this. Nice. Nice. Hey, there's good. I like that. Come on now, do it. Uh-oh. Come on now. Any ball. Any ball. Nice.
Very good. There's so much room.
Got plenty of room, yeah. Come on, let's get it.
Oh, finally something with words went by.
Oh, come on now. You want to drop that mini? Do it. Uh-oh, down to the wire. Stay hot. Stay hot. That's okay, though.
Still good.
Yeah. It's calling me a winner. Actually, it's not bad at all. I'll take that. We'll take that any day of the week. Although I think Sharon has taken the lead on this. She's liking the Sahara Gold. Need that bonus on the Sahara Gold. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. Take care.
Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it. We are still continuing this battle.
Sahara
on
Gold
Lightning
versus
Link.
Tike Fire, is that what I'm on?
Yep, you're Tike Fire. I've been the Sahara Gold. And mine is not,
That's a
mine,
nice ball
yeah,
right
that's a good
there.
size ball. So we got the hold and spin
Put
feature.
$60 in.
Yep.
Only did a few spins, right?
I didn't do too many spins. Yeah, that's actually very good. Some of these balls are pretty good. So we
Need more.
Yeah, we got to get the
100.
Yeah, actually,
minor.
the minor would be great. Is what we're looking for. Any of them, but even just a little mini on there would be fun.
You want me to hit it? For
They're
you?
going to press this button.
All right. Come on, one ball at a time.
Do it. One ball at a time. Any ball. Thank you.
Nice.
Yes.
Ready? Good. You want to drop another?
Going. Yeah.
Oh.
Woo.
Drop
Love it.
another
I know.
big one like that. Oh, the major's 5.
Right, one ball at a time and fill it. Go for the grand. There we go. Love it.
Two.
Take something with words.
Oh, that'd be awesome. A mini.
Oh, love it.
Mini
How
would
about
be
dropping? Yeah, I mean a mini would be $100. How about dropping that minor too? That'd be.
Do it.
That'd be so much fun. Do it.
Take another $125.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Stay hot. Stay hot.
Come on, one ball.
Down to the wire.
I hate this down to the wire stuff. Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, one ball.
Mini ball.
Any ball.
Mini ball.
Oh, it didn't do it. But still not too bad. We got
I
11.
don't know. I think, you know what? I think you might have taken the lead with that one.
Maybe just because of that one ball.
I think the other ball.
Oh, nice. Yay. All right, that's pretty good. Woo.
Yeah.
Ching ching. Oh, that's so do I. Ching. All right. That's what we're talking
I
about.
like that.
Again, all I had to do is drop that minor down.
Oh, that would be nice.
Even a mini for another $100. But we love it.
I think we're
All
gonna
right,
keep
I
this.
might have taken the lead on this one.
Competition.
Yep.
It's heating up.
Yep. We're working on it. But that's pretty great. Well, thanks so much, everybody, for watching. And cheer for me when we continue this battle. Woo, I know. Ron says cheer for him. We appreciate you all so much. Thank you. Take Take care.
All right, you guys, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it again. Sharon just keeps hitting these bonuses.
Yay.
Now, if they'd be better than $9,
Hey, everybody.
Multipliers.
I know,
Just
it's gotta be better than
get
$9.
a bunch of multipliers.
Woohoo, let's
You
do
only
it.
started with 17 bucks.
I know.
So, come on.
You know why? Because we were leaving.
Hey, usually that's when you... Oh, if we
block.
could do the balls, that'd be great. Come on, where's those multipliers at?
No match.
Can't get match?
Oh,
Oh no, 2 spins left. There you go.
The bird. Times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2.
Oh, it didn't go up top
No.
though,
So it's under $25.
right.
One more spin though.
You can do this. You got one more spin. Do it. Do it.
Nope.
Hey, you know what?
Wow. It was like $5.
That one was worse than the other one. Thank you
Wow.
guys so much. Take care. Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it again. We are still in front of Tiki Fire. Although we switched it up, Sharon jumped in.
5 cents.
5 cents, yeah. Hey, let's get a
Got
bunch
the feature.
of...
We
get
need
a
2
bunch.
times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times.
Or
Or the
balls.
balls would be great.
I think you can do it. We need a bunch of multipliers.
And
Or
a
a
retrigger
retrigger.
would be fine as well.
Do it.
Come on.
Oh, wait.
Gotta line it up. That lined up a little
Yeah,
with the
very
fuzzy
good.
guy, but not.
Come on, where's that multiplier? 3 spins left. Do it. It's going so fast.
Yeah, it's on high speed.
It's going too fast. Oh,
That's
that's better.
Yeah, it needed.
It's a
Needed a
little
little
better.
bit of help.
You only got 1 spin left.
Yeah.
It's got to do it on
Gotta
this
do on the
spin.
last spin. Balls, please.
Yeah, because right now you're looking at about a...
Like $1 win.
Oh!
Oh, what a bonus.
That was about a $9 win.
So sad.
Well, I
Oh,
think,
well.
yeah. Hey, you know what though? It was a feature. I think you need to do a backup spin.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it'll pop again. Nope. Not
Fuzzy
too
guy.
bad.
That's about as much as the
Thank you
bonus.
guys so much. Take care, everybody. It's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it again. I'm still sitting in front of Tiki Fire Lightning Link. Went down to 1 cent, $5. Got the feature. Let's see what happens. This has become a little showdown between Sharon and I. She's on Sahara Gold. I'm on Tiki Fire. Let's see what happens. We need the balls right away. Woo. Let's do this. All right.
Right away.
I think it'll go right away. Oh no, it's saying start.
And if it doesn't, do the 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times. All in a row.
That's
Flat
right.
across with 2 times 2 times 2 times.
So this won't give us balls. It's only multipliers.
Balls?
Can it give you the balls?
In the feature, I believe so.
I should know that. All right.
can.
Oh yeah.
Like that. What do you need?
Oh, don't waste those.
You need those 2 times and line up, line up.
Yeah, we need those multipliers.
Yeah.
If you could, if this whole middle would fill up with the 2 times, then you're talking. You know?
Gotta do it.
Get it.
Come on.
Oh, that's got to be.
Don't line up.
Oh.
Oh, balls.
Do it. Oh. Come on. Oh.
Butterfly.
Wow,
That's not bad. Right
Actually,
up top.
that's not bad.
So it's over 50.
Is it? Great.
Right up top.
Oh yeah, because $5 bet.
Right
Yeah.
up top.
All right, we
That's
got.
good.
I think I'll have one more
I
spin
think
though.
there's one more, but you need that again times 16. I mean, you need.
Yeah, you need like the girl and all of this 2 times, which would be great.
That's still really good though.
Right there. Yes. You're not kidding. Oh, you did really. Congrats.
I like that one.
All right. Hey, that was real
That's
good.
actually really
That's
good.
better than I expected,
Yeah.
actually. For 1 cent.
Woo. Yes. I don't know her. See your plane. I just know she's really
Come on, do it. Do it. Oh.
Oh, nice job.
Actually, that's great.
Woo.
Take that. Let's do a little backup spin,
Yep,
guys.
that's
Maybe it'll hit one more time. Oh, look at that. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. I don't want to boast or anything.
yeah, Sahara Gold's not.
But Tiki Fire is
Never
in
know.
the
I have a
lead.
chance.
I feel like you're gonna.
I need
you're
the
gonna,
feature.
I feel like you're gonna pop. It's gonna pop for you. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it again. Still in front of Tike Fire. It's getting to be one of my favorite lightning links. We played this in the past, and I don't know.
Well, this is the one when we got it down to the lucky spin.
Oh yeah,
And
it was Tike Fire.
It gave the feature, did the volcano feature,
So
and we won like $100.
Now we just did. We bumped it up to a 10-cent denom. If it wants to drop any of them, let's go. Our neighbor just hit a bonus too.
Woo!
Good job. All right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Come on, everybody. One ball.
Come on.
Nope.
One ball at a time.
Come on, do it.
Just how you fill it up to get that.
You want to drop that mini? The mini's 100.
Yeah.
Mine is 5. Come on, that's what's neat about the higher denom. You got that potential.
Yes.
Like that. Come on, do it.
Oh, there was a mini right there.
I saw a mini, yep.
And
Come on.
the minor that'd be fine as
Nice.
well too. I mean, not.
I don't want to drop the mini.
Just
Hey,
keep
you
it
know what?
going.
Like we
One
said,
ball at a time to fill it
any
up.
ball with
And
letters.
you get the 22 grand, and then you're
Yeah, right.
really doing good.
Any ball. All right, down to the wire. Gotta save it. Come on, do it. That's okay.
So good. That was so good.
Hey,
Go
that's
up top. Yeah. Yep.
You know, I sense a
Love it.
showdown in the works.
Yeah.
And Cher is
So I'm playing.
Sahara Gold
Sahara
next
Gold.
door.
And I'm not getting the ball.
Right now, Tike Fire's in lead.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We'll come back to this, guys.
Oh, it's a showdown.
I think I need to. You know what? I gotta do a little backwards.
You
You know?
have to. Woo-hoo.
I mean, it's, you know,
Love it.
you can't
Once again,
complain.
thanks for watching, everybody, too.
Oh, I know.
And cheering us on our little showdowns and
We have some of the
challenges. So much fun.
best supporters.
Oh my gosh,
You guys
yes.
are awesome.
You know who you are.
Thank you guys so much. All right, I'm doing a backup
Backup
spin.
spinning. All right.
I'm doing a backup
Back-to-back
spin.
balls.
Same,
Take the balls.
it can do it. Come on, do it.
Ooh, it did
That's
not.
okay. You know what? We will come back if something fantastic happens, or if Cher hits something on that Sahara Gold,
Thanks,
which we
Sahara
do
Gold.
like too.
Really trying.
Hey everybody, it's Ron and Cher. We are back at it again, and we are sitting in front of Tike Fire Lightning
You know
Link.
it's one of our favorites. Hey,
It is.
everybody.
You know, it is possibly one of my favorite lightning links. I kind of like all the lightning links though.
You, but how about when you got the 5-symbol trigger?
You know what? We're on 5-cent denom, so you know what? Any of the balls with words. You want to drop that minor for 250?
It would be so fun.
Fantastic.
It would be what?
But
it would be so fun.
But we always say any ball, any ball, right?
Yes. Any ball.
No, let's get it.
The balls with words.
Any ball.
One ball. Yes. Come on, everybody.
We can do it. Come on.
Keep this party going
that was a
strong.
good
That was a
one.
good one. Woohoo.
Come on. The minis.
One.
The minis
Keep
50
going.
bucks.
One at a time. One ball at a time.
The minis 50. Do it.
That
Do
would be
it.
great. You can get that.
Oh.
Come on now. And you want dead spins, you want happy spins.
Come on, do it.
Oh, come on now.
Uh-oh. Come on. Let's do it and save it. One ball.
Yes.
Nice.
Another good one. Good. Let's get minor doing it.
Come on, minor.
Yeah.
You want to drop the major. Major 603. Look at the grand jackpot.
I know.
On these things are 22 grand. Okay.
No one's got the.
Yeah.
Why can't we fill the board?
Let's do
We're
it.
gonna fill it with a bunch of 50
Any ball.
centers. Oh, one. Don't make it down to the wire.
Come on, do it.
Come on, just one. Yeah. Another good one. Another good one. Yes.
I like it.
3 more. Come on. Come on now.
Get it. Get it. Any ball.
Oh, it almost hit that ball.
Come on now.
All right, down to the wire again,
to
but
the wire. Come on.
gotta come through.
One ball. Hey, you know what? That's
so
great though.
good. It's so good. Going up top. We didn't have any balls words, but some of those
Right.
are good. Yeah. Look. Boom. Boom. Another good one. Nice. Very nice.
Hey, 70 bucks. 70 bucks, you just sat down. You know, how cool is that?
Yay!
Tike Fire, everybody. Lightning link.
Come through.
We like that. Hey, it's saying that we're a winner.
Yes, you are.
You guys,
Love it.
we really appreciate all the support. You guys have been fantastic. If you can't hit that like button, we're gonna.
Can I continue on?
Oh, wait a second. No, I do got to do a backup.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we are.
You do.
Yes. Thanks for asking.
Ron, Sharon, love you, love.
You have to check us out. Thank you, guys.
It's fun.
Thank you.
Check us out.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
It's nice of you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon, and we are back at it. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm beating him, because look, that mini just dropped on the hold and spin feature, so I already got that going. I'm at the 10 cent denomination. Woohoo! I know, I told you, I'm blowing you away.
You are.
All right, we're gonna hit this button. Come on
Got
now.
the mini already. Nice. How about a mini party?
That would be great. Actually, that would be awesome. But if it wants to drop that minor,
You want me to hit it?
that would be fun. All right, we're gonna hit this button, friends. Let's do this.
Come on.
Come on. One ball at a time would be so great. Oh no!
Don't do that. Come on,
Don't
look at
do
all
that. Come on.
this space.
There's like a lot of room there.
You better hit it.
Come on.
One ball.
Oh man.
Oh, don't tell me that. Come on.
Come on. Just one.
Do it.
Save
Do
it.
it. One ball. Save it. Save it.
Oh, that's so bad.
I mean, it's good,
it's
but
great,
bad.
but it's not. Wow.
That could have been
It only gave
so
the
good.
original and never gave a ball.
It never
I mean,
gave
I
a
love
ball.
it, but oh.
At least it dropped the mini.
I thought that was going to be something like so
Well,
spectacular and
sometimes when it
crazy
gives a mini,
major.
like
and
it gives you a few more minis.
there's like another mini. Oh, I'll take it though.
That's great.
No.
I think you're
I'll still
already
take it.
blowing me away.
That's what I said. I think I got you now.
I think you do.
That might
That
might do it.
Better at it.
That might do it.
Thank you guys so much.
Woohoo! All right, I gotta do a backup spin though because I need that to go back to back.
Yeah, maybe
Oh.
that's. I'm surprised with all that space didn't give me another ball
Yeah.
to keep it going. All right.
All right. Well, that was fun. Thanks again, everyone. Really, really appreciate all your support and watching our fun, crazy showdown.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it. I have been trying so hard to get this feature on this game. We've been having our little showdown going on. So actually finally got the feature. Went down to 2 cents. I was doing the 5 cent, but I think it's 2 cent 250. But now we've got a choice to make. So this one's rough. You don't know which one to pick. You've got to pick a good one. Hold and spin would be awesome, which is kind of what I'm hoping to get. But let's see. Here's the choice.
Well, you know what
All
I
right,
would
go ahead and press, and let's see what we can do.
Oh, you're gonna leave it up to me?
It is my showdown.
True.
Please be hold and spin would be great.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
that's bad.
Probably the worst.
Yeah,
I hate to say it.
it is.
Maybe it'll redeem itself.
Okay. So hard to get that feature.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
So hard to get that.
Oh,
That helps, but
hey, that's good.
the other one was
That
a
wasn't
black,
bad.
or
That wasn't bad. Ooh,
that's not
yeah.
bad because it's not going up top or anything.
But that's
Woo.
that's
it's
pretty
okay.
good considering
Oh
only
my
25
gosh.
wilds. Yeah, because sometimes it'll like say 200
It'll
wilds.
say hold and spin. It'll say 200 wild or 100
Actually,
wild.
that was pretty good though.
That is helping. Thank
Yeah,
goodness.
better than we've believe me. We've seen some worse bummers, bonus bummers.
Oh,
No, that's pretty good. It probably almost went up top. But it's still going. Yeah.
well, it won't be 25, so it'll be under 25. So we got the feature though, so I'm so happy. We've been trying
yeah.
very hard to get the feature on this. And I did. See, now I went down to the 2 cent instead of 5 cent. See, that's just blocky block.
If it would re-trigger.
Yeah,
then you
that would help. I know, because look, that was 2 of the...
Actually, yeah.
building. Come on now. Ooh, see?
Okay, last spin.
Yikes. Okay.
Actually,
That
that's
was
not
fun.
too bad though. It's 40-something bucks. You're kind of gaining on me here.
Yeah, that could have been like
I don't know,
so
I think it's been
great.
even. I think it's been
I
pretty
guess
even.
I gotta pick the other side next time. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. We are still continuing though this this crazy battle. I know he's still. Oh yeah, he's still doing Tiki Fire, and he actually, I don't know, still kind of blowing me away because you know, look how long it took me to get that feature. All right, we'll be back. Thanks so much. Don't forget to hit that like button. Really helps us out.
everybody,
You guys
it's
take care.
Ron and Sharon, and we are back at it. Actually, we're still at it. Still working on this Sahara Gold. I actually did get the balls. I got the hold and spin feature. I don't believe it. Went up to the 10-cent denomination though too, so maybe it likes that a little bit better. I don't know. Not too bad. Wouldn't mind getting that major or the minor. Actually, if the minor can hit, that's 500 as well. But I'll even take any ball just to keep it going. So we're gonna hit this button. And let's see what we can do here. Yes. And come on, friends. All the help we need, right? Love it. Yeah. Come on. Keep going. One ball at a time. I'll take any ball. Don't be stingy with the balls. Let's do it. Oh no, that was it. No, I mean it's still good anyway because that's 10 cents, but definitely we're looking for one of those big scores. 50 bucks on 10 cents. I'll take it. Of course I'll take it. Alright, well thanks so much for watching. We're definitely going to do a backup spin just in case we can get something incredible on a backup spin. If it wants to do those balls again right back to back, that would be fun. And I guess I'll stick with the 10 cents for a bit. See how it's ringing in the 50s, saying a big winner. We love that. Alright, here we go. We're going to do backup. Oh, if it wanted to give that feature on the backup, that would have been awesome. Well, thanks again for watching us and subscribing and all your awesome comments. We will see you guys soon. I think we're continuing on. Take care. Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon, and we are back at it. Definitely having a blast playing this game. Sahara Gold, got this hold and spin feature. Loving it. Last time we got the mini. Looking to get that minor, maybe that major on there, or filling the board and going for that grand wouldn't be great. Still can hit the 10 cents too, so seems like that's pretty good. Hitting this button, we need one ball at a time. Not like that though. Yes, come on now, come on now, come on now. You want to drop the minor? Slap it in there. Awesome. Ooh, come on. No dead spins. Any dead spins. Yes. Yes. They're all kind of low. Ooh. But I'll take it if it's going to give me the grand. I'll take a $2.50 ball any day. Come on now. One more. Come on, save it. We can just save it. Oh, it didn't do, but it's still fun. We got almost all of them. We're going up to see. What do we got? It's still not bad. They're 10 cents. They're kind of all cheap because I think they're all $2.50. 40 bucks. Love it anyway, though. Still fun. Can't beat that. Gotta do backup. Maybe it'll go right back to back, right? Do it again. 3 more. Oh, that started out amazing. Well, thanks again, friends. Really appreciate you guys watching and pressing that like button. Always helps us out. And we definitely love your continued support. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Got the hold and spin feature. Come on, balls. Gotta do it. You need to fill up that board with balls.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take
Thank
the
you.
camera. That way we'll get you. Look at her. She's just better than me at this.
So much better.
Come on now.
Yeah. So now I can see the board.
Yeah.
I can't see if I'm filming, so I never know what I've got.
Right. This will be
I
better.
need
This is gonna
to
bring it in.
fill the board.
You want to drop that minor for 500?
That would be fun. So let's do it. Come on.
Come on now. Keep it fun.
Any ball.
Ooh,
I
I
see
saw the
minis
mini
going
go
by.
by.
Take it.
Yes.
Yes.
All
Come on.
right.
Come on.
$100 right there. Turn this into a mini party. That'd be great. Do it. Nice.
Yes, yes,
Nice.
yes. Come on.
Come on. Do it.
Any ball just to keep it going is awesome.
Keep it going.
Come on. 20 dead spins. Let's do this.
Now get there. Come on, stay high.
No. Come
Oh,
on.
down to the wire.
There's
Down
so
to
much
the
space.
wire. Come on now.
Right here, right here.
Get it. Stay hot. Oh, that looked like
Gotta
a
do
good
it.
look.
No.
Actually, that's pretty good.
That's still great though. It's
Yeah.
10 cents.
Right.
I'll take it.
You've
All right,
passed
here
me.
we go. So let's see. I might have passed you.
You have.
Although I don't know, because you've got some really good ones. So
I don't know though. There you go.
that's pretty good. Yay!
Got the victory music.
It really does. I'll take it. It's the happy clap. Love it.
All right, you guys. Or should you do a backup?
Awesome. I'll do a backup for sure.
That's more like it.
Love it.
No, you've taken the lead for sure.
I may have. So anybody that voted for me for the showdown,
Yeah,
you guys are awesome because you probably made the right choice.
I think they
Right?
did. Oh man, my tiki fire. Look at it over there. It's all by itself. It's look at. There's not even anybody sitting there.
Not.
It's just I've given. It's cooled off. Maybe I'll heat it up again though.
I love that though.
That is.
Okay, 147. I'll take that. Actually, I needed it.
Yeah.
You know, it's getting down there.
How about a backup?
I'm gonna do a backup spin. I don't like hitting the button, by the way.
Oh,
as you
that's
know.
fine.
You kept hitting the button. That's not something I do. Right now I'll hit the button. Backup spin. We'll do back to back. That's all. Ooh, at
Oh,
least
a little something, something.
it paid the girls.
All right, you guys.
Well, thank you so much, everybody, for watching this fun showdown. Right?
All right. Take care.
All right, everybody. It's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it. I did get the feature again. I really needed it.
She did. She's
all right.
game. You know what? I think you're taking the lead.
Well, he just got the balls again and did like really good. Still at the 2 cent.
This one's an interesting
a
feature, though. I hate
$5 bet, 2 cent, 250.
You want to hold the spin.
Here we go. And again, it's so hard making the choice, but you gotta stick with your choice. Hold and spin would be great.
Oh.
All right, at least it's 200.
All right.
So please hit. There we go. So it's queens all across.
Oh, yeah, queens all across. That's good. That could have been.
If it was a higher, yeah. If it was like the
top symbol.
the pyramid
Oh,
or
you wanna get
the
whole board. This just won over.
yeah, I'm calling it the squid or the scorpion, but that's
Yeah, you only got 6 spins, but you
Still
got
paying, yeah.
200 lines.
put them 3 up in this front. That would
Well,
be amazing. So yeah.
Last time you had only. I know where are they?
See, now that's bad. So you put them all on this one.
It keeps being on their final last 2.
They need to be in the front.
At least in the middle.
Yeah. It's not being very big.
Oh, that was good.
Oh.
Come on now. There you go. Ooh, that could be good.
It's the palm tree.
Yeah.
Some tens. Nope, and it still didn't go up top, so it's not more than $50.
This roll right here would have done it. Actually, that's going to be pretty good right
Well, it did make it to 5.
Right. Those palm trees are 4 across, right?
I think they're 5.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I mean, it's still paying, so I'll be very happy and take that. They only got 1 spin left. Fill the board with the camel, because I don't think it used 200.
I know. I guess it doesn't say up to 2. I don't know.
Oh, it just doesn't give you all 200?
I don't know.
Oh, so it's not like,
Well, you know what? We got a point here. Maybe it'll load up this last spin.
no, wait, it was only,
I know. I don't know if that's what it means.
it was like 27 miles it showed so far.
Real?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was just a re-trigger would have been nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just potential to get them.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Actually, it's not too bad. Almost 70.
70 something bucks or 60 bucks, 60 something bucks.
Yeah.
Well, Phil, that was still fun. No, I love it. It's great. It's hard to get that feature
Oh.
and hard to get it to pay because
You want the hold spin on that.
you want the hold and spin. And I can't believe I can't get the hold and spin, but that's all right. Hey, thanks for watching anyway. Thanks for pressing that thumbs up. Thanks for all your amazing comments. We really appreciate you guys. We're going to continue on. Take care.
Everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We're back at it. I'm sitting in front of Tike Fire. Sharon's over there in the center. A goal.
Almost had that feature with it.
It's been quite a, I don't know if it's a battle, a challenge. What is it? We're in this
It's
together.
a showdown. It's like a showdown?
It's a showdown.
Yeah.
10 cent. I put $100 in. Took a few spins, but we got the feature. Let's do this. You want to drop that minor
Yeah,
for 500? That'd be awesome. Oh, come on. Any ball, though.
Yeah.
That's all we ask. Any ball. Come on. Ooh, I think I saw a mini. Mini's 100.
That would be great too. Oh yeah.
Come on, do it.
Crap, you're on the 10 cents.
Thank you. Come on now, you can do better than that. Do it.
One ball.
Oh, see, I
Yeah.
saw that mini.
Yep.
It's over there.
What's the mini?
Come on, do it.
Come on now.
Oh, down to the wire already. Come on, do it. Say hi. Thank you. Come on, do it. Oh, I saw another mini.
again.
How's that mini doing?
Land there, baby.
Do it. Oh, I keep seeing it. Hold on. Come on, stay hot. Keep it fun. Thank you. Do it. Oh, keep seeing it.
Yeah. Keep showing it.
Come on, do it. Come on now. Stay hot.
One ball at a
I
time.
keep seeing it. Down to the wire again. Come on. Do it. Do it. Let's see what we got. Well, for 10 cents, $5, that should be better than that. But we will take that any day of the week. Like that. All right. We shall continue, you guys. That wasn't bad at all. Thanks.
We're gonna get it back to back.
Right. Should I do a, oh, you know what? Let me do a quick backup spin. Ready? Do it.
Oh.
Oh. Got this
Keep
case.
working on it. Hey, that was pretty good though.
Yeah.
8 on your back to back.
Thank you guys so much. Take care, everybody. We're still battling.
Still mine.
I know. Sharon just hit the.
We're working on it.
Sharon just hit.
This was a 5 cent.
That's all right. You're still doing well.
250 is what I'm betting. So please, 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 let's see what we can do here.
Any ball.
Gotta fill this up. Look, I'll take.
Come on.
I guess I'll take any.
Exactly. Any ball. Oh, don't do that. Come on, now. One ball.
Come on, one ball. Oh no!
Come on. Down to the
One
wire.
ball. Any
You got
ball.
plenty. Ooh, I saw the mini.
Any ball. Oh, now that hurts.
That's unfortunate. That's
not even good.
But hey, it's a feature. We're still battling. All right, we'll continue. Yeah, that was a little chintzy.
That's unworthy.
All right, you guys, take care. We are still battling. I'm on Tike Fire. Cher is on Sahara Gold. So let's do this. Just got the ball. So let's get some more. Come on now, 5 cent. I went down to 5 cent. But let's see what happens. Any ball. Nice. Oh, I did see the mini. The mini's 50. Come on now. Wide open over there. Now do it. Nice.
That's a good one.
Actually, yeah. Come on, anything with words. How about something with words?
Yeah.
How about any ball? Do this. Come on, one ball. Nice. Come on, do it. Do it. Oh, come on now. One ball. One ball. Plenty of room. Last, could be the last spin. Down to the wire. Come on, stay hot. Stay hot. One ball. Do it. That's not, I don't think that's too bad though. Come on, let's see. Not bad at all.
Well, it's a 5 cent.
I know, I'm gonna back up. Check this out, guys.
Mine is not doing anything.
This has been a heck of a
This is our
battle.
contest. Well, we just want to thank you guys so much for watching this premiere. We had a blast doing this contest. I mean, again, now the jury's out. I don't know if it was you or me.
I don't know.
You might even have to put on there. You guys can make the call.
I
Who
hope they're
won
voting
after
for
you
me.
watch this. But we thank you so much for all your support and just watching our channel and making our comments and stuff like this. You guys are such an inspiration. We really thank you. So you take care. Thanks, guys.
Hey, you guys, check this out. I'm looking for Sharon, and guess where she's at? Sitting at the bar. Oh, she's by herself. I guess I'll go visit her. Take care.